waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Hello. Today I have a box here full of batteries, and I need to figure out which ones are good and which ones are bad. I'm assuming the ones in the bag here are bad, and these ones are good, but we're going to check. So to do that, we need a multimeter, and what we're going to do is put it on 20 DC volts. 20 is what we're going to set it on, if you can see that. And I know these ones here are new, so I'm going to show you what it comes up here as. Let me zoom in so you can see. Put the positive to positive, negative to negative, and we get 1.61. These are 1.5 volt batteries, so anything over that means it's new. Anything under it means that it has been used. Let's try one of these ones in the bag that is old. See what that comes up as. Oh, not too bad actually. This one's not too bad. That might have some juice still left in it. If it's closer to 1, then I know it's bad. Let's try this one. This one looks like it has some corrosion on it, so I don't expect it to be very good. What? No, that can't be. 1.68? Huh. So that's a good battery. Of course, there's no load on it. That still could be bad. That still could be bad. To really test it, you need to put a load on it, get a resistor. I'm not going to go through that, but I may just put this in something to see if it really is good or bad. Anyway, that's how you do it. I'm going to go through this whole box, and we'll see what we got. So now that that project's out of the way, I just wanted to update you. We will be probably traveling here in May, hopefully. Currently, Lisa is away. She's gone for 2 weeks. She's in a disaster area in Kentucky, Frankfort, Kentucky. She was deployed through the Red Cross, so she's helping out there. So when she gets back, we'll get things going. I got a few projects to do. Also, while she's gone, I've been also volunteering with the Red Cross with their blood drives and other things. So please be patient, stay tuned, don't give up on us. We will be back on the road. We will be doing some more adventures this summer, and hopefully be gone again all winter. Cross your fingers. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking with us. Bye.